Uttarakhand, the land of gods, heritage, and splendor. Nestled in the lap of majestic Himalayas, Uttarakhand, often referred to as Devbhumi, the land of gods, is a treasure trove of natural beauty, rich culture, and architectural marvels. This North Indian state is not only a haven for pilgrims and trekkers, but also a land where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. Through its ancient temples, vibrant festivals, and serene landscapes, Uttarakhand tells us stories of resilience, devotion, and harmony.
Uttarakhand's architecture is a testament to its spiritual heritage and connection to nature. The region's structure, from ancient temples to traditional wooden houses, showcase a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. Tangible heritage of Uttarakhand include Char Dham, Gangotri and Yamunotri, Jogeshwar Temple, Ma Naina Devi Temple, Jim Corbett National Park, Kumbh Mela, and many more. Kedarnath is the one of Lord Shiva temple built by Pandavas of Mahabharata. It's one of the 12 Jyotirlings. Jyotirlings are the temple of Lord Shiva all over the India. The architectural style of Kedarnath temple is Nagara style. The Nagara is the original style. The features of the Nagara styles are Shikhar, which is a pyramidal tower which represents cosmological order. Shikhar is topped by Kalash. Platform. Platform is a raised stone with step leadings up to them. Garbhagriha. Garbhagriha is housed by main tower of temple. Mandap. Mandap is a hall for devotees.
Next is the Jageshwar Temple and Naina Devi Temple. Jageshwar Temple, a dham built from 7th to 12th century AD, where Lord Shiva and Saptarishi, the great seven sages, used to meditate. Ma Naina Devi Mandir, one of the 51 Shakti Peeth of Ma Adi Shakti, where Ma Naina resides in sanctum represented by two eyes. These two temples are example of the Himadri style of architecture. The Himadri style of architecture is a local style of architecture used for temples in the Kumaon region of India. Construction materials. People in the Kumaon still prefer to use stones, slate and wood for their construction, even though brick and concrete houses are also being built. Among the prominent local crafts is wood carving known as likhai, which appears most frequently in the ornamentally decorated temples of Uttarakhand. Intricately carved designs of floral patterns, deities, and geometrical motifs also decorate the doors, windows, ceilings, and walls of village houses. Paintings and murals are used to decorate the houses and temples. Pahari painting is a form of painting that flourished in the region between 17th and 19th century. Cholia or Hudkedi is a traditional folk dance form originated in the Kumaon division of India, state of Uttarakhand. It has today become a symbol of Kumaoni and Sudar Paschim. It is basically a sword dance, accompanying a marriage procession, but now it is performed on many occasions.
Urad dal ki pakode. It is the one of the cuisines of Uttarakhand. They are soft and spicy. This golden balls of deep fried urad dal paste is a common snack in Uttarakhand. They have it for evening snacks or breakfast.